Hi, ladies and gentlemen. This is Shelley Kraft coming to you live on SNNLive. We're at the Marcum MicroCap conference here at the Grand Hyatt in New York City. I have with me Dr. Bill Schell, Targeted Medical Pharma, Inc. It's a publicly traded company, and the symbol is TRGM. Welcome back to SNNLive. How are you?
Thank you, Shelley. It's nice of you to have me.
It's good to see you again. Let's give an overview of the company to an audience that likes microcap companies.
Yes, Targeted Medical Pharma is an emerging specialty pharma company that specializes in RX medical foods. Medical foods are a distinct FDA category that is regulated more like a drug than a dietary supplement. Our products require physician prescriptions. Our lead product is Theramine, a pain medicine that is free of side effects and is not associated with any GI bleeds. It is designed to compete with both narcotics and with non-steroidal anti-inflammatory agents. We are required to have clinical data, and we're FDA regulated, but do not require pre-approval.
So, where does one get this? At the medical office or in a pharmacy? I mean, you explain.
We traditionally have marketed through physicians' offices. Physicians buy product, dispense it to their patients, and we provide them the mechanism to bill insurance. Our products are covered by insurance, and they're a rapidly growing segment for physicians. In the last 6 months, we've been putting mail order pharmacies in place so that physicians who don't wish to dispense can write prescriptions and therefore send it to a mail order pharmacy.
I think the key operating word is reimbursement.
Yes, clearly biotechnology companies have this problem that when they go through the long development cycle, at the end they don't really know how they're going to get reimbursed because they don't have codes or they don't have NDC numbers. We've developed all those systems, so our products, when we introduce them, generally go right into a distribution network. So that reimbursement is done through contracts we've evolved with the major insurance companies.
So you must be loved by the doctors that have practices because you're giving them revenue they never had before.
That's correct. We think it's the salvation of private practice, is that the physicians can share in the reimbursement structures rather than being unpaid salesmen for the pharmaceutical companies.
And it's not like the inventory doesn't move because they're prescribing it to their patients.
That's correct. We have just-in-time delivery of product so they don't accumulate large amounts of inventory.
So let me ask you, how is it coordinated with drugs that you are required to take that have, heavy-duty cost attached to it? They're obviously prescribed under, examination by a doctor. So what is this? Supplemented to them, to a narcotic?
We have a distribution network of traditional pharmaceuticals too, and we co-pair the medical foods with an existing pharmaceutical to reduce side effect profiles. So we provide that to our physician clients. We have contracts with the right distribution companies to provide those traditional pharmaceuticals. So it's a one-stop shopping.
You've answered that question. What's your website?
www.ptlcentral.com. That's the physician distribution site, and takes you through to the investor pages as well.
Excellent. Ladies and gentlemen, Dr. Bill Schell, Targeted Medical Pharma, Inc., TRGM. It's a publicly traded company. I'm Shelley Kraft. This is SNNLive. We're at the Marcum MicroCap Conference, Grand Hyatt Hotel in New York City. It's a little noisy here, isn't it?
Yes, it is, but exciting.
Busy conference. Thanks for coming on to SNNLive.
Thank you.